Hey, Dallas the Science Diva here. I'm getting lost in my local record store. It's like traveling back in a musical time machine. I love it. So let me ask you, what category do you fall into? Are you a person who used to purchase your own vinyl records? Are you like me and you remember your father's old vinyl record collection? Or are you a person without a clue as to what vinyl records even are? Well, you know what that means. It's time to pause for a moment of science as we explore how record players work. Another word for a record player is phonograph. If we break down the word phonograph, therein lies the secret to how record players work. The prefix phono means sound. The suffix graph means writing. So a record player is a device that plays sound that has been written down. Let's pause and investigate sound. Sound is an energy that we can hear. It's energy that occurs when matter vibrates. These vibrations move in the form of waves through solids, liquids, or gases. The wonderful thing about sound waves is that they can be written in various materials like records. But let's simplify the process because it can be quite complicated. First, the sound waves are taken from an audio source and are cut or etched with a needle into a disc made of aluminum called a master lacquer. The master is too soft to make copies from, so a stronger stamp is then created from the master. That stamp is then pressed into a vinyl biscuit, and records are born.
Told you so.
In the record, there are precise grooves. They look like lines to the naked eye, but under an electron microscope, these grooves look like canyons, don't they? This is where the fun part begins. When you place the stylus onto the record, the turntable spins, allowing that needle to move through the grooves. It's a bumpy ride, but each intricate twist and turn through those channels represents specific sound waves and causes the needle to vibrate. The vibrations are then sent to the cartridge. In the cartridge, there is a magnet surrounded by coiled wire. The vibrations move the magnet between the coils, creating electricity. The electricity moves up the tone arm and is converted into an amplified sound that travels through the air to our ear and vibrates our eardrums. There, those vibrations are changed back into electricity to be sent to our brain. We recognize the song and then we are jamming. Simple, right? So record player science involves chemistry, physics, and biology. And if you find yourself confused, don't think too hard. Just groove with me for the rest of the video. Never stop learning.